Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the Bosch E2 error. First thing I want to share that you're not alone, because even the person wrote here that he got constant E2 error. Have a Bosch takes out 5 times to replace the ice maker, motherboard and multiple other parts, and nothing actually worked. So the one thing that is like important is showing the display screen of Bosch Refrigerator. It means the freezer compartment temperature sensor is defective and is unable to properly monitor the temperature, right? So first thing that you can try to do is that first like turn it off completely with a circuit breaker or just the fridge itself, and then the refrigerator, then just turn it back on. Or you can locate the temperature sensor in your freezer, disconnect the wire harness that is connected to the sensor, inspect the wires for any signs of damage, and if they are damaged, then also the wire harness will need to be replaced. And you can also replace the freezer compartment temperature sensor, get a technician to inspect your refrigerator. This is the best thing you could do. But just be aware that even person wrote here, after the repair company replaced all the things, they replaced the whole unit. I purchased another extended warranty on the unit to be safe. Good thing, because I'm getting to E2 error code again. So is that even when they like changed everything, they are still getting the error. So I hope you're gonna possibly find a way how you can fix it, but this is frustrating. So have a great day and goodbye.